Okay, it just started raining. Yeah, I saw on Facebook that I guess Grand Rapids and Holland got tore up. Hang on, you got a car coming. My camera's a mess. Wow, that was some excitement.
I love how it said it's not supposed to rain like that.
Yeah, no kidding. Just got back to the campsite.
You guys coming?
No, I'm alright. Apologize about the blasting music a little bit ago. That wasn't my music that was playing, that was my brother's. They're just all running to a gas station real quick. And the dogs are going crazy. Charlie, knock it off. It's okay. I gotta check on the dogs. There we go. I had to switch to my phone camera because my tablet camera does not have a light on it. My brother's tent has a light in it. His stuff didn't get wet, thankfully. Like I said a little bit ago, I guess Grand Rapids, Holland, I believe they said Muskegon got tore up. I think we're like 2 counties from Muskegon, and then like I believe 2 or 3 counties from Grand Rapids. Then 4 from Holland. Yeah. Good thing we got this canopy. Then they're talking it's supposed to rain on and off tomorrow. Chances for thunderstorms tomorrow as well. So go figure on that. It is what it is. And we were on our way to Luther earlier to go get pizza and have some drinks. I saw some lightning to the west. I received notification that there were areas around Grand Rapids and Holland that were under a severe thunderstorm warning. 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts reported. Lots of people were already losing power. I don't know how hard it hit my home in Bangor, Breedsville area. But I know they were saying Decatur and area south of there got hit hard. as well. Tell you what, southern Van Buren County and then counties south of there in St. Joe, Kalamazoo counties just can't seem to catch a break. Neither can Kent, Allegan, Ottawa, or Muskegon counties. Wish I had my truck here, otherwise I'd probably drive around in the rain and record for a little bit, but and speaking of my truck, hopefully the Gorilla Tape I put on my back window and the sunroof is keeping the rain from getting in it. Because the sunroof has a leak on it, and then like I mentioned earlier, well, this will probably be a separate video, but I mentioned in my September vlog that my back window has a plastic window because somebody broke the back window on it. One of the parts of the back window anyways. So yeah. And then the sunroof's got a leak on it. I don't know if I said that already. I got a bad memory. Hopefully my brother does alright tonight. I'm a little worried, but like I said, his stuff was still dry. So, there's that, thankfully. Alright. Back again. I had to get off, or I had to stop recording for a sec because I had to make a phone call. A buddy of mine that lives in Borculo, or Borculo, however you say that one town, north of Zeeland. I guess he's without power right now. And according to Michigan Storm Chasers on Facebook, apparently there's been multiple power outages and poles down around Zeeland and Holland. I haven't heard anything much about Bangor, Breetsville area, or anywhere up in like northern Van Buren County. But there's been quite a few reports coming out of other areas that are dealing with downed trees, power outages, poles down, everything. Haven't heard anything about tornadoes though. Michigan so far is up 30 tornadoes, I believe. One of the tornadoes we had, it was the Martin one, that went right over my cousin and his wife and kids' house. His house didn't take on too much damage though, thank the Lord, but the town of Martin definitely got tore up from that. That was May 15th. I have a storm documentary video about that. So that, I believe that's my dad and my stepmom that's about to pull in. Yeah, that's them. Hang on a sec. There we go. Had to turn my light off so I wasn't blinding them out. Oh, our sensor light kicked on. Yeah.
Yes, I don't want my feet soaked, okay? I don't have any other socks.
Then take your socks off. Why not?
Maybe don't wear socks when you wear flip-flops.
Well, maybe if my toes weren't too bad, then I could do that. But
Hey, just some advice.
Logan, I literally do. I don't want to hear it.
Oh, oh. Wow. Oh crap.
No more good. I'd say turn that bitch all the way up.
There it goes.
There's a 6.0 or an 8.0 battery.
This one? And 6.0. You cooking now?
Yeah.
Yeah, this does pretty decent with it.